Hi, my name is Andrew Gong. I'm here with Avitech at InfoComm 2026, and I'm here to show you the Sequoia 4K60. So here is the Sequoia 4K60. We've got 5 outputs, 4 inputs, and control from multiple different stations, up to 5 different stations with 1 mouse and keyboard on one screen, or up to 5 screens or display devices. So what we can do with this is essentially here I have one screen here, a second screen here. This is my control screen, this is my display screen. I can move my mouse around, and so for example I can click in, control this top left computer. I can move my mouse over and then go ahead and control this top right computer. And so what this lets me do is switch control between multiple computers essentially seamlessly. That's the KVM kind of portion. The Multiview portion, since this is our KVM Multiview, is the ability to move these windows around. So I can just move my mouse, resize the windows like so, and then switch between kind of different presets as well. So via the hotkeys, I can go in, switch to 1 large, 3 small, and then move any source to this larger window. So for example, if I want the video in the bottom left to be shown in the larger window, I can just go over and swap that over like so. Or let's say I want to take the middle one, swap that over. Again, really easy to do. This is also capable of touch. So here I have a touch screen. I can move this window around. I can full screen it just using 2 fingers, pressing and holding, and that becomes full screen. Again, this is Andrew Gong with Avitech. I'm at InfoComm 2026. Please go to our website, avitechvideo.com, for more information. Thanks for watching.